would say with BenQ, you guys have been phenomenal. Customer service-wise, technology, aptitude-wise, creating a custom plan for us, for our adoption, for our piloting, and then our adoption process. I just 10 out of 10, 15 out of 10. You guys are phenomenal. Every vendor feels they're customer service oriented, but BenQ truly is. If we have a problem, we send it out and you guys are resolving it, sometimes within like minutes.
The customer service was amazing. They took feedback from our teachers and actually made changes, inside the BenQ and what it could do for teachers. We've actually seen some of those changes already in this model. We've had a number of people from BenQ headquarters here working with teachers, listening, hearing from them. So we felt like that the customer service piece and the relationship was also a huge selling point for us.